you're all keeping well. Today we're going to make some tortilla pizzas in two different styles. Okay. First of all, before we get started, I want you all to get your ingredients. So everything that Mark gave you, so your chicken, cheese, peppers, your herbs, tomatoes, your puree, and your tortilla wraps, I want that all in front of you. Okay? Once we get everything in front, right, get our equipment. So we need a sharp knife, a chopping board, some tongs, a teaspoon and a tablespoon. It doesn't matter, I get these fancy yolks, and something to stir the pot with. We need a saucepan and a tray. Okay? Now, first of all, we're going to get started with is wash your hands. It's important, and to put your oven on to 180 degrees. Okay? Please be careful around your oven and around your hob, whatever you're using. Okay, we're going to start off first by cutting our chicken. So again, be careful. Okay, and we want to cut in small wee bits. Okay. I'm going to cut mine into cubes almost. Okay, once we got all that there cut, get into the pepper, choose whatever colour you like. Okay, wash it beforehand. Okay, and then cut down, and you've left this here in the bin. Okay, and again, to your preference, cut whatever what you want. I'm going to cut straight down and across. Okay. Please be careful with your fingers. You can cut them as big as you want, as small as you want. That's how you like it. Okay? Once you get all the cutting done, we want to move on and put our cooker ring on. So we're going to start it with on number 4 to heat up. Okay? Now, what we're going to do is, we're going to get our 10 tomatoes. We're going to open them up. I'm going to whack straight in. Okay, then going to get a tomato puree. You got your on your top. Okay, a dessert spoon or tablespoon of tomato puree goes right in. Straight in, that's all we need. And you have some mixed herbs, half a teaspoon. So a small dessert or small spoon, teaspoon, half a teaspoon, sorry. I've got these ones, teaspoon, in and around, that's it. Now we just need it to bring to a boil. Okay, I'll give it a good stir. Okay. Once that there is cooking, very well. Alright, get a tortilla, open it as safe as you can. on your tray. Just have it ready. Okay, so that's going to be our base of the pizza. Again, keep an eye on your sauce. Yeah. You'll soon see it all come together and it'll boil. So it will, it'll be. Take your time. Just keep an eye on it. Alright. Whilst we're doing all this, try and get all cleaned up. Don't have your countertop messy. You know, be careful with your knife. If you like some spicy sauce, you can add in some chilies or whatever you like. But it's just that process of waiting now. Remember, just keep on stirring it, whatever you need to do. As it cooks, you'll soon see it'll all come together and just be a type of marinara sauce. Break up the tomatoes inside. This should take around the 5 to 10 minute mark. Just keep on stirring it, keep it, don't let it burn, keep an eye on it. If you want to make it hotter, put it up to 5 or 6, whatever's on your hob. I'm with 5 at the moment. Just get all that tomato out. Now we're starting to boil more now. Keep on, sir. Okay. Once it's not as lumpy anymore, or you know, a nice consistency that's come together, we're going to take it off the heat. Okay, we're going to bring it over, and you don't need much. We're going to spoon it on to our tortilla wrap. Take out any lumps you might have. Okay. Turn it down on your in your pot or your hob to make sure it's all right. Okay, so now we're going to add some cheese. We chose mozzarella. It's one of the healthier cheeses you can get. It's a lot less lower fat compared to other cheeses. Okay, so we're just gonna get some cheese and sprinkle it on. If you're like me, you like it nice and cheesy. Okay, and then what we'll do is we'll get on some chicken. Buy it around wherever you want. Some peppers. You don't have to use peppers, you can just put chicken on it, or you can put ham on it, or whatever you like. And then I'm gonna get on more cheese. Okay. Now what we're going to do now is go put that in the oven. Okay. And when it comes out, well, you know when the cheese is ready to come out, so it's around 5 to 8 minutes in the oven, and you'll be ready to go. Okay. Okay, this is what we've just made. Okay, so that's what we should be looking at. So well done, everybody. Okay, now we're going to make a newer version. You've probably seen it on social media and on TikTok. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get a wrap. Okay, we're going to cut down quarter. All right. So we are. We're going to put some sauce on this here. Put some peppers. Okay. Make sure it's a lot tidier. Put some chicken over here. If you're like me, you like the chicken better than the vegetables. Okay, and finish it off with some cheese. Okay. Now, the moment of truth, we're gonna fold up. Okay. So we got 4 layers. 4 layers. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get a frying pan. Heat the frying pan up. If you have it, some spray light. Okay. Once your pan is heated up, get that on there. If you have a toasty machine or whatever, it'll work perfectly fine. And just we'll let it cook. And we want the cheese to melt. That's the whole point of this here. Okay, you'll hear it sizzling. Please be careful on the pan. And again, you can put anything, you can put mushrooms in it, you can put ham in it, you can put whatever vegetable or meat you'd like. Again, be careful when you're turning this over. When it's brown, we'll not worry about if anything falls out, we'll put it back in. So it's nice and crispy. And again, you'll know when the cheese is melting. Okay, again, be very careful. Be very careful with this. Alright, the cheese is melting. I'm going to put it back on. And then that's us. So, well done. Everything is in their layers. That's it.